Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now if you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe and like this video. Comment down below what do you think of today's topic. So guys, we all know Hleng Batu. If you don't know this, I don't know where have you been, like I don't know where have you been, but nje Grootman and Uqinile are the trend gang. They are so trending and it's getting, I don't know what things that is giving what, but I know Gutine they have broken up and moved on with their lives, but there's something in me, a little bit of 20% nyana, that believes that these two will get back together, guys, because they've done it before. They've been breaking up or getting back together again, most. So like there's something in me that tells me you never know, but guess these people are just so trending, and now Grootman is accused of leaking a sex tape of him and Uqinile, and people are just like, he did it, and he didn't do it, I didn't do it, but Uqinile like he's the only one who had the video, and now he's claiming that his cell phone was hacked in Tontoni. People are just saying this is just revenge, and not just about justice for Uqinile. Guys, you guys are just quick to forget. Okay, I'm not saying she deserves this and all, but you guys are quick to forget. These people were scamming people and eating their monies. Now you have forgotten justice for her. Did you guys get justice? Did you guys get justice? You didn't. People were scammed, and they were going on vacations and in Tontoni, So and she's not the only one, man, to have her video posted like this. Justice for her, because allegedly the video was posted by Prince KB. Guys, let's be fair, hey? But I'm not saying you guys shouldn't stand with her. She does deserve justice, but it's not make sure, is really not make sure, hey? And I'm just thinking, they will get back together. But Uqinile has moved on. She has moved on, and apparently kuno part 2 of 35. Asaz. And on other news, guys, Kena Olimfeka has bought herself a new car. She bought herself a new car. She was so excited. This is a video of her going to fetch the car. It goes well with her body, because she is gifted. She is gifted, guys. And in the comment section, people were just like throwing all of those off comments as always, saying, hey, wara, hey, wara. But guys, I don't care I don't care how she got her money to buy this car. Fact is, she has a car, and some of us are working 9 to 5. What do we have? We don't have anything to show for it. So at least her body works for her. Please subscribe and like this video.